priority in mathematical calculation, it is very important. Allow me to remove these definitions here and here to make more simpler. As an example here, I say 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. If I calculate from left to right by default, which it is 2 plus 3, it is 5, and 5 multiplied by 4, it is 20. But let's check the result. It is 14. Why is that happening? Because the multiply or asterisk operator priority, it is higher than plus. So actually the correct way to show that, it is something like that. It will first calculate this section and then start calculating plus with this. 3 by 4, it is 12, plus 2, it is 14. So keep in mind, the priority, it is very important, and if we want to first calculate these two, we have the parentheses, which it is the most highest priority. Then now we have 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. 5 by 4 is 20. And the least priority, it is by equal. And plus and minus has same priority. For example, if I type 2 plus 3 minus 4, it is calculated from the left because it has same priority starting from left. 2 plus 3, it is 5, minus 4, it is 1. But if I use parentheses, first it will calculate this. 3 minus 4, it is -1, plus 2, of course, again, gonna get the same result. So note that the plus and minus have same priority, which in this case will calculate from the left, the first one, and then this one. Multiply and dividing has also same priority, and above of these two, we have the power sign. It is higher than plus, minus, or multiply and division. So if I again set 2 by 3 power of 4, it will calculate first this one and then multiply by 2. Result is 162. But if I use parentheses here, first it will get 2 by 3 and then power of 4, which it is 1296. So don't confuse about priorities and always pay attention to them.